first of all introduce myself. I am Ratnesh Pathak, research scholar in RKDF University, Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. I pursuing my PhD under Dr. S. Chatterjee. During my PhD, basically my research area is the thermography and the artificial intelligence. During my research, I work on different types of data sets of the images given from the thermal imaging sensors like infrared cameras. The basic problem regarding the research is how to classify the given data, image data. So during that work, I work on several types of data mining algorithms. Famous name is SVM and KNN. Here we present first of all, my aim of the study is to compare the predominant data mining algorithm in thermal imaging classifications. First of all, what is the thermal imaging system? Here, we just distribute the thermal images on the different objects, the thermal distributions, temperature distributions on the different data objects. And we compare the basically SVM, CART, KNN, artificial neural network, chaos genetic algorithm. But we found the sum in these algorithms, these two SVM and KNN algorithm is best. This research is very useful in today's time in sensing device. Thermal sensors is very useful in sensing temperatures of the COVID patients. So my research area is basically in dynamic environment, not in a static environment. So image mining is one of the important research area. So in various fields like surveillance, biometry, biomedical imaging, industrial visual inspections, etc., etc. But here it is image mining and image processing are some quite different. Image mining have lots of data sets, and we predict exact data from the given data set through different types of algorithms. Here we use the SVM and KNN on the basis of the thermal thresholding technique, which is my basic research area. We have a huge data set of thermal images given by the infrared cameras. We just brief these two algorithms, SVM and KNN. Most of the SVM full form is support vector machine. This is the part of a machine learning technique. One of the most popular supervised learning algorithm. Here is a supervised means here it is a leveled imaging system. Here we use the level by the method of thermal thresholding. We set some infrared thermal setups for the images. Just we set two thermal images. First, who has the temperature beyond the threshold value or above the threshold value. We set the threshold value for infectious bodies. So here with the SVM algorithm is to create the best line of decision boundary. Here we just show a picture. Here you decide a maximum margin and set 2 points. First maximum margin and the hyperplane and the positive hyperplane. Here is the hyperplane means the decision boundary. We take the decision, just we told that we decide on the basis of thresholding technique. This is my basic research work. Here these dots is called the support vectors. And the maximum margin is split into all the hyperplanes into categories: the positive hyperplane and the negative hyperplane. In the second algorithm, the K nearest neighbor, it is the simplest. It is the simplest machine learning algorithm. It will be non-will work or different algorithms. It is also a supervised learning technique. Here we set up we set a data on the different cases, just like on thresholding, and we set just some algorithm for KNN. First, you select a number k for neighbors. What does it mean? Here, first of all, we create a thermal image and convert it into a digital data. Okay? And all the algorithms set on that data calculate the Euclidean distance of k number of neighbors. It means just here we set the yellow dots is a new data point. It is k, and there are two different categories of the different images based on the thermal behavior. Here we find the nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor means the value of distance which is nearest. Here we define two categories, category A and category B. Category A has 3 neighbor points and category B has 2. So category A is best suited, which is very near to our prediction. We work on different algorithm and discuss the merits and demerits of these SBM, CART. This is classification and regression tree. KNN, nearest neighbor, neural network. K means chaos genetic algorithm. All these algorithm works good in different areas, but in thermal imaging system, we found the SVM and CART algorithm is best suited to classify the exact image for exact image applied as per the thresholding method. Here we clearly mentioning that the merits and the demerit of the algorithm of different SVM, CART and different algorithm. Here it is mentioning that some are very effective in different types of areas, and some are different of some are very effective in different areas. But here we set our accuracy in classification. To find the accuracy in classification, we set the basic formula. Here TP, FP, TN, and FN. Sorry. Here P is called positive, true positive, and false positive, true negative, and false negative. Here positive and negative means we set the foreground and background of image as a positive and negative. True positive means we found the image in good contrast as per our thresholding, and negative means we don't foreground and background is for negative. False means we don't found the image data from the set value. After the accuracy check, we found the correct classification percentage of different algorithm on the given data set. We found spectral images on SBM. The 98% classification, correct classification, and 2% incorrect. In CART, digital images found is 93. It is based on digital images. KNN is also digital images, but it is 97% accurate, correct classification. The neural network is SPAM images. It is also worked on a 93% correct classification. So as per the accuracy performance, we found the SVM and KNN are the best suited classification algorithm for image data mining. So we conclude, in this comparative study, we consider the performance of data mining algorithm in image classification, which is analyzed based on classification accuracy. The support vector machine shows 98% accuracy, and K nearest neighbor shows 97% accuracy in image classification. So we conclude The performance evaluation support vector machine and KNN is the best suited for with higher accuracy in image classification. So we suggest the SVM and KNN is the most predominant mining algorithm in thermal image classification. Okay, for any query, contact me at my email ID. Thank you. Any questions, sir?
Thank you very much, sir, for